it's Misty from Anniething.com. Welcome to day one of our March previews for the March 2023 release. I'm so excited to be here with you today. I apologize that you are not seeing my face, but I am still recovering from the vid. I've had that for the last couple of weeks and have not felt up to slathering on some makeup. So you're just getting my hands today. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the stencil, the word die, the builder die, and today's chibi character. And I'm also going to be sharing with you the design team photos. So before we get into this though, if you decide you want all or part of this release at a discount, don't forget to check out Stamp Club. All the information is linked down below, but there is also a video here on our channel talking all about it. So if you're new to Stamp Anything, every month there is a thematic release. So we get a stencil, a word die, a builder die, and 3 chibi characters along with their outline dies. And you guys, March's release is perfection. Are you ready? So let's start with our stencil. I've already removed everything out of their plastic packaging. There's already a glare. I have recently redone my craft room and I don't have a covering for my desk yet, so I apologize for that. So here is the first product from this month's release. This is the foliage lace stencil. Isn't it gorgeous? It's so stinking pretty. I love it. Anne designed all of these herself, so I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Next, we have the cutest word die. It says Best Buds, and it comes with a separate flower. So, and again, I will have the design team members' pictures beside me, so you'll be able to see those as I talk to you about these products. So you could do it as themselves. You also have this background where you can also add the flower. You can not use the background if you wanted to. What a fun word builder die that goes beautifully with this release. Just wait, we're not there yet. Next, we have the builder die. So this month's builder die is the flower and leaves builder die. So you get flowers along with some centers, and then you get some stuff to make some leaves. This can be some vine flowers. Really, really fun. Creating flowers is it's just so relaxing. So we will definitely be taking advantage of this die next week for Fanny Friday. So make sure you subscribe for that. And then last but not least, have you guessed the theme yet? Have you? Next we have Juniper. Juniper, you're the very best. Now Juniper is in our new packaging. As you guys know, we released this in January. So rather than the acetate being colored, it's now on the front of the packaging. And this is how you can store this. And I've mentioned and I've shared in the past that I store mine in CD, DVD pockets, and they fit perfectly. And then we have her coordinating outline die. So once again, you can get all or part of this month's release at a discount by signing up for Stamp Club. There is a separate tab for those of you who are international, and then from those of you who are in North America. And so make sure you check that out, and make sure you check out the Facebook group so you can see more projects, not only by the design team, but by our wonderful Fannies as well. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And again, all of the information will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye for now.